What's going on, everybody? This your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I just want to show you guys where I actually started from. You know, the car I got before I got my first X6. This was a cash car. I paid $1,000 for it, and I drove this car for like 3 years, right? Because I literally could not afford a car payment. I couldn't afford to buy a car cash. I couldn't afford anything but this $1,000 car right here. And I just want to show you guys where I basically started from. I basically didn't always have, you know, new 2020 interiors. Let me actually show you guys the actual car, give you like a little tour, because it's a lot going on right now. You know, we got the panoramic roof, you know, so that opens and closes. I usually keep that open though, it's summertime, so that's gonna stay open. So let me actually open this back up. Yeah, keep that open. But as you can see with the new 2020 X6, my favorite part, the interior lighting. You know, you can see all this is lighting up. You can see everything. It's just so at night it looks like an actual spaceship. And you can actually change these lights too. Let me actually change it. Go to the settings. You go to interior lighting, and then this is where you can actually like change all the colors right here. And you can just make it a different vibe. Now I got the garage open, so it's not as dark, but when it's dark, like, I'll probably give you guys a little preview at the end of what it looks like when it's like actually dark in here. And it's like a literal spaceship, you know. Even in the back here, let me take you guys in the back. So I sit back pretty far, as you can see, but you can see we got charger ports here, little hanger racks, and other thing. Honestly, I don't know what that's for, but got the dual, and this is where I keep my air freshener so the car can like smell really good. But you know, everybody got their own AC back here. You can turn it up, turn it down, and that's how that goes. And it's just a really dope car. So let me show you guys the outside. You know, got the 20-inch V-spoke wheels, and I did something different to this car. You know, I didn't leave it stock when I first got it about a week ago. It had the chrome, so you know, I'm just now getting my car back from getting an actual chrome delete. So you can see it's no more chrome right here. It was chrome right there. I got that chrome deleted. You can see I even blacked out my reflectors, so that's blacked out. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Show you guys what I did to the back. I got the tail blacked out right here. So this is just a preview of my car. You know, I'm not really trying to brag. Like, I show you guys exactly like where I started, where I'm coming from, and I always want to give you guys the real stuff. You know, a lot of people don't give you that. You just see them on top, and I want to actually show you guys, like, you know, like I actually like started from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna close this and then show you guys like how it actually looks at night, because I actually can do that with this garage. I can close it and it looks like night in here. Let me turn off my garage light. Hold on. So this is actually my favorite color to keep the car, is like this blue right here, and maybe my second favorite color is like orange. But this is how like the night ride is. You know, it's looking real Tronish, real 2020 futuristic. You know, I like how even like my feet glow and everything like that. So I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. Like, I'm just super blessed to actually have this, and I just wanted to basically share this with you guys, like what's truly possible if you work hard. Like, this really didn't happen overnight. Like, a lot of you guys want to just jump in and like learn CPA, but you got to realize like this don't happen overnight. This is not something that you just gonna snap your fingers, you're just gonna be making $1,000 a day. Like, you really got to know what you're doing. A lot of you guys, you're just throwing up any type of landing pages, you're just targeting anybody, your ads are not looking legit at all. It's looking very, very homemade-ish, and you're gonna have to come way more professional. People are getting more sophisticated online. You can't just throw up crap online and think, you know, hey, somebody gonna pull out their credit card and buy. Or if you're a super beginner affiliate, like, you need to focus on just getting those simple conversions. You know, focus on CPA marketing, not affiliate marketing, really, because you're gonna need more budget. So if you don't have a huge budget, focus on, you know, running those simple single opt-in offers, you know, something like that, double opt-in offers, a download offer, something where it's something simple to get paid, so you can just start making your first $100 a day, first $200 a day, and then, you know, that's when you can level up, you know. But a lot of you guys, you're just trying to jump out and just do what you see super affiliates doing. Like, we're at a different level. We have more budget, we have more money we can test with. Like, it's different comparing yourself to a super affiliate. You got to start where you need to start, and that's why I try to make videos for. So watch my videos on this channel if you know, want to basically learn how I got this. You know, I have a Mogul Academy. I don't know if it's open. It depends on when you're actually watching this video, but like, I'm going to open it just because, like, a lot of people have been asking me and everything like that, you know. So it might be open like while this video like just posted, and it's actually like 50% off right now. So if you've been looking to get into Mogul Academy, here's your chance, and it's 50% off. I really only want to do it for like 72 hours. So like after 72 hours, then it's going to not be 50% off anymore, and it may even be closed. So I mean, I just be wanting to open it up sometimes, because a lot of people want to learn CPA marketing still, and I understand that because it's what changed my life. A lot of people take it serious, but a lot of people don't take it serious. But I want you guys who are ready to take this thing serious and get to the next level. What you're going to really have to do is you're going to have to get rid of distractions, and you're going to have to really be disciplined. You know, you need to just commit to just staying in the house the next 30-60 days. Like, I know we was on lockdown and stuff, so I don't know how many of you guys, you know, came out that on top, but I know I did, and that's why I just rewarded myself with this. So if you want to learn CPA, check that out. I'm actually about to just go head out and enjoy my day. Let me open this up. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.